Picture a small lab room, a circle of curious students, and a table full of model, diagrams, and a single cup of coffee gone cold. You lean in. Tonight, you say. We talk about two powerful topics, breasts and the cowgirl position, not as porn, but as culture, anatomy, and human interaction. Eyes light up. You feel that spark of curiosity. Let's run. Start with breasts. They are glands, fat, skin, and nerves with a story. Nipple and areola have dense nerve endings and a lot of variation from person to person. Some people feel strong sensations there. Others mild. Biologically, breasts are for nursing. Culturally, they mean comfort, identity, beauty, and sometimes control. From a scientific lens, ask, how does touch quality, pressure, rhythm, temperature map to reported sensation? Simple experiments, sensory threshold tests, surveys about preference, imaging studies of a brain response. Notice the language people use: comfort, arousal, bonding, words that span biology and emotion. That complexity is what makes them worth studying. Also, breasts change across the lifespan with hormones, lactation, and age. That affects sensation and social meaning. Think ethically. Consent, power dynamics, and privacy must guide any research or conversation. Now, the cowgirl position. Picture two consenting adults, one lying back, the other seated facing them. The person on top has visual access and movement control. As a biomechanical system, it's fascinating. The top partner controls cadence, angle, and visual exchange. The bottom partner experiences different pressure distribution and line of sight. Why does this matter? Because position changes sensory input. Muscle involvement, breathing patterns, and perceived intimacy. Consider variables: pelvic tilt, torso angle, hand placement, footwear, even furniture height. Each tweak alters contact points and muscle load. In research terms, we can measure forces, heart rate, and subjective comfort. You can also study communication patterns: who directs, who mirrors, how partners negotiate adjustments. The lesson ties together. Breasts are sensory and symbolic. Positions are dynamic systems that shape sensation and interaction. For the curious student, design a small study. Recruit consenting adults. Use anonymous surveys, simple motion sensors, and standardized comforts. Map how different positions change reported sensation from the chest, neck, and pelvis. Run interviews about cultural meanings and personal boundaries. All those include crew consent protocol, this option to withdraw, and confidentiality, and in the bedroom or the clinic. The most practical tool is honest talk. Short prompts: how do you like touch here? Can you move a bit? Is this comfortable? Those little questions are experiments in empathy. They generate data and deepen connection. So take the models off the shelf, write a survey, set up a low-cost motion capture, and talk to real people with respect. Science is curiosity with rule. Let your curiosity be rigorous, ethical, and human.